Hello YouTube. Listen, I just got a phone call. You know, one of those phone calls. Can you just come and pick me up? So just been and picked up this old chap and his wife. They've bought a lot of shopping and they need to take the shopping home. And they live where the goats live, in a villa zone that I'm driving down now. And I really wanted to bring some elastic bands to strap my camera to the rear view mirror. I just wanted to see what would happen if I strapped it to the rear view mirror, because as you know, if I strap the if I put the camera on the dashboard, it rocks and rolls and then falls over, then I shout bloody hell a lot. So I wanted to elastic band it and I didn't, and I should have done, and I'm going to have to bring some elastic bands with me. Remind me, elastic bands. So I'm driving back, but it's one of those roads, it's part dirt track, it's part mixed, someone's mixed concrete, so it's all juggling up and down. I feel like the scene from Star Trek when they've been hit by a photon beam and everyone jumps to one side. So that's what it feels like when I'm recording on this road. So, I want to show you. See that tree? See that tree there? It's a cypress fern. Okay, well, it's a cypress, but it's not a fern, but it's an evergreen tree. And I want to grow lots and lots of them. In fact, I want about 100 of them. So I want to put them in one of my houses, around the garden. I don't want to build a wall, I want to have a live fence. So, mate, I wonder if I can get some cuttings from that, because they're tall, they're slender, they'll grow and grow and grow, but as long as you chop them at the top, everything will be wonderful. Everything is wonderful, being here is heavenly, what I wouldn't give to be when I was Mary's prayer. So, I'm going to drive back home now. I've been watching YouTube all day, but nothing better to do. Alright, so I'm going to cut off. Hello. I'm completely naked under this towel. This vlog goes out to all you ladies, and I say ladies because that's what you are. Ladies, will you do me a favour? Stop using our bloody razors. If you've run out, don't shave. Our skin is gentle. We're not used to such roughness on our skin. Pack it in. Pack it in.